Hi everyone, I'm Carla Valdez in the Department of Health Sciences. Today we're going to be talking about using Canvas Studio to add quiz and knowledge check questions to your recorded lectures. This is a strategy I've been using with my students for a few semesters, and I've received quite a bit of positive feedback, so I'm excited to share this tool with you today. This approach may be beneficial in your online synchronous or asynchronous classes, as well as your traditional face-to-face classes. In an online class, you can use this approach to make sure your students are actually watching your course materials, your course lectures, and you can use this approach to spruce up your already recorded lectures. In traditional or face-to-face classes, you can use this approach to free up class time for in-class activities or additional course content. It's ideal for course content that lends itself to a traditional lecture, and information that would normally be covered in class can be done outside of class time. And I have found that using online recorded lectures with knowledge check questions can actually help to keep your sections on schedule, particularly if you have more than one section of the same course. For both of these class settings, the recorded lectures will help to engage students with course material, will allow students to watch content at their own pace and more than once if needed. Using knowledge check questions will allow us to quiz students in the moment as they are watching the material. Students can engage with the course content on their schedule, so it does add some flexibility. And one of the best things is that if you're using knowledge check questions or quiz questions in your recorded lectures via Canvas Studio, the responses will be graded automatically and the score will be populated in the Canvas gradebook. To use this approach, you're going to need your recorded lecture, your quiz questions that you'd like to add to your lecture, and Canvas Studio. To access Canvas Studio, log into Canvas and click on Studio on the black menu bar on the left side of your screen. To add your video or lecture to the My Library in Canvas Studio, click on Add, which is found at the top right side of your screen. From there, you can drag and drop or upload your media from various different sources. Your newly added video will then appear in the My Library section of Canvas Studio. To add knowledge check questions, click on the three dots to view a menu of options, then click Create Quiz. Next, you will need to title your video quiz, and you can add a description if you'd like. Then you can also decide if you would like to show or hide the question markers as the students are watching the video. I typically turn this on, that I will hide where in the video lecture the questions will be found. Then hit Get Started. Next, your video will appear. Begin watching the video and hit pause when you want to add a question. To do this, click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to choose which type of question you want to add at that point in the video. Then type in your question, and you can provide feedback. So you can provide a message to students who got the question correct, a message for students who may have missed the question, and you can also add general feedback for any student regardless of whether or not they responded correctly or incorrectly. Then you will save your question. You can do this as many times as you wish throughout your recorded lecture. When you have added the number of questions that you'd like to include, then hit Done at the top right corner. Next, you will want to make your recorded lecture with knowledge check questions an assignment. So go to Canvas and go to the Canvas page of your course. Then go to Assignments and add a new assignment. Then you'll complete some of the standard description for the assignment, including the title, the description field, if you'd like to assign this particular assignment to an assignment group. Then you'll decide how many points the assignment is worth. To actually include the video into your assignment, Under Submission Type, select External Tool. Then click Find. Then click on Canvas Studio. Hover over the video that you'd like to include and click Select. Then choose Video, Quiz, Embed, and click Embed. Finally, you'll click Select at the box that says Configure External Tool. Decide on the due date and save the assignment. Once you publish the assignment, the video will be embedded in the assignment description, and your students can watch the video and it will be graded automatically and populated in the gradebook. I hope you found this video useful and that you will enjoy creating your video lectures with knowledge check questions, and that your students will enjoy engaging with your course material in this way. Thank you so much for listening.